guys, Visual Dreamers back here with your daily video tech news. AMD has recently announced that it started shipping Bulldozer CPUs. The new processors are for Opteron-based server systems. The new Opteron-based Bulldozer processor is 32 nanometers and is the world's first x86 16-core processor. It will be compatible for Opteron 6100 series and will be made available to partner systems sometime within the fourth quarter. So, is this something you guys are interested in? Is this something you plan on upgrading to? Please let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on Visual Dreamers. Happy bulldozing!